Hello beautiful people, welcome to Yard Abroad with Erica's. Guys, today on the menu I'm gonna cook some callaloo, some wild dumpling, green banana, zucchini, and some other stuff. I forget. Plantain, yes. So guys, watch the process. Thank you so much for watching the videos. Thank you for being a part of this community. Continue to subscribe, comment and share and like, and don't forget, put your notification bell on so when I upload a video you may receive it. Alright guys, I'll shift around the camera so you could see what I'm doing today.
You sleeping and you fighting it?
So okay guys, I'm making some callaloo. So I'm here. Tomato, sweet pepper and onion. So the first thing I'm gonna do, saute these vegetables, the green seasoning. I'm gonna saute the green seasoning. Oh guys, I can't find my thyme. Where did I put my thyme? Okay, I guess we're not using thyme because I can't find it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some powder seasoning. I like to season up these first guys before I put the veggie, because I don't like to pour the salt directly on the veggie. Some garlic herb. So I'm putting some garlic herb. This one doesn't have any salt. Guys, I'm not using no salt in here because all these seasons have salt. So Maggi, fish cheese powder season. Alright, let me mix this up. I put a little jerk sauce, jerk season. Just a little bit for a little bit of spice. Alright, and I'm gonna stir this. So guys, this is already sauteed guys. So now I'm gonna put my callaloo. For those of you who don't know what callaloo is, I already have a video up with my callaloo, so you could go check that out. So I already washed and cut up the callaloo. I think I'm gonna save some of this callaloo for another day. I'm gonna put some in my freezer. So that's the callaloo right there. Callaloo. So now the seasoning is already in here, so I don't need to put no more season. And now I'm gonna just cover the pot and let the callaloo steam. Okay guys, so right here my dough for my dumpling. I already make it. I prep everything ahead. So guys, I'm just gonna put the dumpling in. So I'm just gonna put the dumpling in guys. Make dumpling. So I'm put that dumpling in. You just put the dumpling in your hand and roll them. Put them in so you can either flat it out. You can make a dumpling flat. You just use your finger guys to make a curve in the dough. And you can make it flat, or you can just leave it just like this. You can leave it like this, or you can make it flat. So I'm gonna show you. You just roll it and you just use your finger to press it out to make it flat. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna put some green banana. I thought I had more green banana than that, you know. I have some zucchini I'm gonna cook, but I'm not cooking the zucchini as yet. I'm gonna put some plantain. I'm gonna wash the plantain first. So now guys, I'm gonna add the plantain. I use a washcloth to wash the plantain guys, to make sure it's clean to go in the pot with the skin. So I'm gonna put that in. I'm gonna let it boil a little bit, and then I'm gonna add the zucchini when it's almost finished. Okay guys, let's check on the callaloo. So now we're gonna stir all the seasoning. Yes guys, I have a cheerleader in the background. You just stir everything once it starts steam. Turn on the stove. Let me turn on the stove guys. Stove on high, turn it on 5. Because I don't want it to burn. Guys, the callaloo, like a lot of callaloo. But now I put everything in the pot is less. Because once it starts to shrink, I have less in the pot. Yeah. Guys, some people put codfish and stuff in their callaloo. I don't like codfish in my callaloo. I like my callaloo nice and plain with green seasoning. Like the sweet pepper and the tomato and the onion. Oh guys, I forget to put my garlic powder. You can put garlic powder, guys, and onion powder. But now this, I don't want to put it again because it's hard. Yeah, it tastes good, even though it's not fully cooked. But it's already late for me. I'm not gonna put the garlic powder and the onion powder. Usually I put garlic powder and onion powder. But the other powder seasoning is good because all I do is stuff up garlic powder and seasoning thing. So right there, that's the callaloo steaming. Guys, if you're still watching, please comment, subscribe and share and help grow the channel. Thank you so much for doing that for me. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna add the banana. Probably cook already. I don't want to break it, so I'm not gonna stir. All then dumpling floating on the top, so I'm gonna put the zucchini. Dang, piece drop. I'm gonna just rest the zucchini on the top for a second to make it get just a little bit steam. A little bit of steam. Wet it up, wet it up, wet it up. So guys, as soon as it's steam, I'm gonna take it out. As soon as it's steam, because I don't want it to be too soft. So I'm gonna let that steam a little bit. I have a piece of chocho chayote. I'm gonna put that on top too. Steam a little bit. Guys, I'm not gonna let these cook. Guys, chocho can eat like apple. So I'm just gonna make that steam for a minute. And I'm gonna take it out. Okay guys, so there you go. The callaloo is all done steaming. Nice and green. So now I'm gonna just turn this off. So guys, I did go back and had the garlic powder on camera. I had the garlic powder and onion powder, and I had to put some more powder seasoning because since as I use all of the spinach, the callaloo, so I had to go back and add a little more powder season to give it a little more flavor. Alright guys, if you're still watching, please comment, subscribe and share. Thank you so much for your support. Okay guys, so I'm gonna take out the vegetables because I don't want them to cook. I just want them to blanch a little bit. If you cook them too much, you're gonna lose what the value. Alright, so I'm taking out all the zucchini. Like I said, I just wanted them to steam a little bit so it's still nice and crunchy. About the zucchini. Yeah, and then you can just cover it and let it finish steam. Guys, this zucchini, I got 2 zucchini from my backyard garden. The chocho I buy the chocho in the supermarket. But banana, Oh, the banana sealed to the bottom. I don't know if the banana cooked yet. Yeah, the banana is cooked. So now guys, I'm just gonna turn off the stove. This is a little piece of spinach, guys. It's nothing. And there go the zucchini and the chocha. So there you go. I'm gonna turn off the stove. And that's it, guys. That's banana, ripe plantain, cornmeal dumpling, zucchini, and green banana, plantain, dumpling, zucchini, and chocha with steamed callaloo. Guys, if you're still watching, please comment, subscribe, and share, and help me to grow the channel. Okay guys, I'm going to take out some food. I already put my callaloo in my bowl. I'm going to put a banana, a dumpling, a piece of plantain. Taking off the skin, guys. I just take off the skin. Once it cooks, the skin will just fall off. So I just put that. Guys, I love dumpling. I'm gonna put a piece of zucchini. I'm not gonna take any chocha. I think I wanna eat 2 dumplings, guys. So I'm gonna put another dumpling. So there you go. I don't know what's going on with the light. Yes guys, so there you go. Callaloo. Callaloo and dumpling and banana and plantain and zucchini. So guys, thank you so much for watching the videos. Please continue to watch them to the end. Comment, subscribe, and share. And take care of yourself until next time. Walk good and remember that Jesus loves you and I do too. Alright guys, so take care. Thank you so much for watching.